ASTQB wants you to be prepared for the ISTQB Foundation Level Exam. You can download all of the ISTQB Foundation study resources for free on our website. You can also watch free ASTQB Foundation Level Exam prep videos of the must-know items before you take the exam. ISTQB's Foundation Level. 1.5.3 Independence of Testing. A certain degree of independence makes the tester more effective at finding defects due to differences between the author's and the tester's cognitive biases. Independence is not, however, a replacement for familiarity. For example, developers can efficiently find many defects in their own code. Work products can be tested by their author, no independence. By the author's peers from the same team, some independence. By testers from outside the author's team but within the organization, high independence. Or by testers from outside of the organization, very high independence. For most projects, it is usually best to carry out testing with multiple levels of independence. For example, developers performing component testing and component integration testing, test team performing system and system integration testing, and business representatives performing acceptance testing. The main benefit of independence of testing is that independent testers are likely to recognize different kinds of failures and defects compared to developers because of their different backgrounds, technical perspectives, and biases. Moreover, an independent tester can verify, challenge, or disprove assumptions made by stakeholders during specification and implementation of the system. However, there are some drawbacks. Independent testers may be isolated from the development team, which may lead to a lack of collaboration, communication problems, or an adversarial relationship with the development team. Developers may lose sense of responsibility for quality. Independent testers may be seen as a bottleneck or be blamed in delays in release. If you know what software testing is, you will be one step closer to success with your ISTQB Foundation Level Exam from ASTQB. Download the free ISTQB Foundation Level Exam preparation materials today. www.astqb.org